Hi guys, this is Asad from Extnix and I have just installed this beautiful QLED screen on Mazda BT50. It's 2012 to 2015 model with factory navigation on the small top screen. You can see that this unit has a very good quality screen. It is a QLED resolution, so that is the home screen that you can see over here. I have my phone connected to it for CarPlay, where you can see, you can play any music, anything at all from here. So if you see, there we go. There you go. So you can see all the volume controls, all the functions from the steering wheel control will work. So changing a thing, voice control may not work, phone definitely works as well. All right, we don't want copyright protection comes in, so let's stop that. All right, going back to the main screen now. Let's see what we have over here. So we got navigation for the offline maps. You can run Google Maps or you can do Magic Earth. Both work in the similar way. You can run them offline. Bluetooth connectivity, apps. T-Link is there for your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your radio, where you can see that. Again, you can see the steering wheel controls are working. And they're there. All right, going right now. Oops, there we go. All right, now we have also have digital sound processor over here.
2 weeks out from the federal election, Scott Morrison is
Thing.
campaigning in
You can
Western
see
Australia.
that. You can change the frequency.
To boost production.
Not sure if the phone
Spirit
you
and
can hear it or
beer.
not,
Labor
but
is
let's
promising
say
to review
definitely the
Australia's
bass control works.
anti-siphoning scheme,
All
hoping
right,
to ensure free-to-air
in
television
apps you
is
just
offered
have some other
broadcast
features
rights
over
to
here. So you
significant
got,
sporting events.
oops, let's go down. All right, so you have APK installer, CarMate, some applications, maybe trial versions, other are definitely original versions. The GPS antenna which is installed, you can see the good frequency. Satellite signals are amazing. So satellite antenna is just installed under over here where the original factory one was, and you can see reception is amazing. The 3G antenna is mounted on top of this thing, again under it. Also, sorry, 4G antenna over there. All right, going back from here, let's see themes. As shown previously on the other units, you have choice to download a lot of themes that you can. However, some of the themes may be paid. You can come over here and you will have option to do some of the free themes. As you can see, all you have to do is come select, click on download. Obviously the phone, unit needs to be connected with Wi-Fi and it will download and it will update it, and you can do that. All right, now just going towards the specification of this unit. So we come to settings, and in the settings you can see network for your Wi-Fi connections, display, different settings you have for the background, sound options, general, your sleep time, and car battery. You can have that, and there you go. You can see what battery it has. You can also do phone battery level as well, display, if phone is connected via Bluetooth, but in CarPlay it may not show that. All right, original car, when the canvas is connected, you can have multiple options over here. Reverse camera option, what type of camera and the options you want. You have your voice settings as well over here. These are not obviously configured for that. Okay, let's see some personal settings. What it will show you, different accounts like Google account or so when it's set up. System, MCU upgrade. You can do system upgrade or MCU upgrade just by connecting this unit to Wi-Fi. Factory settings, which we are not going to go in through. Some more settings which basically brings you to the standard settings for the network. All right, about just on the system configuration, we can see it's a TS10 system. It is UIS 7862, which is one of the highest configuration processor in the market at the moment. You have the sound processor, which is DSP chipset on it, which is ROHM 32107. You can also see it is 4GB unit with a 64GB memory. That's pretty much it. Let me just put the car into the reverse mode. And there you can see this is the AHD 720p reverse camera, which we supply with the unit. You do not have to pay anything extra for the camera. There we go guys. You can see this is an amazing unit, amazing upgrade from the factory unit, which looks like this. So this is a 9-inch screen unit. We also have 10-inch units as well, which basically adds on top of it, and you can have a 10-inch screen onto these units. The design may be slightly different from the fascia, and I believe 10-inch units you can still see the factory screen as well. It may just be disabled, but it is there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you. Bye.